Hey everyone, I'm Cecily Seljaskog, and BB fashion has always been my passion, so I'm absolutely thrilled to be a finalist in the search for the next BB It Girl. Thank you so much for considering me. The BB It Girl is the perfect balance between the girl next door and the girl you wish lived next door. She's someone with high energy, spontaneity, and a commanding, dominating presence. The BB It Girl is not one-dimensional, and neither am I, which is why BB has always been my go-to stylist for all my fashion lifestyle needs. On a more serious note, I believe in being compassionate and taking responsibility for one another. Devote yourself to loving others, to your community, and to creating something that gives you meaning and purpose in life. As a woman, I'm extremely passionate about making it my mission to help fight heart disease, the #1 killer in women ages 20 years and older. The American Heart Association's Go Red for Women campaign is about educating millions of women on how to make healthier decisions to help fight this killer. More women will die of heart disease than the next 4 leading causes of death combined. However, 80% of cardiac problems are preventable, which is why if chosen as your next BB It Girl, I will be adding this $1,000 BB donation to the money that I have raised both personally and with my sorority Alpha Phi to give to the American Heart Association's Go Red for Women campaign to help continue the fight to wipe out heart disease. Thank you for viewing my video, and I would appreciate your daily vote for me, Cecily Seljaskog, spontaneous, edgy, sophisticated, philanthropic, and yes, sexy, your next BB It Girl.